Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and this is a very quick video to show you how to move your taskbar. This is the taskbar that runs along the bottom of your screen here. We can show you how to move it to the right, so you have it down here, to the top, so you have it up here, or to the left of the screen, so you have it down here. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the taskbar and you need to right click and check that you haven't got the taskbar locked. So if it's locked, if I click on lock all taskbars now and then go back to Task Manager, you'll see that there's a tick there, which means that it's locked and you can't move it. So you simply go to Task Manager, left click on lock all taskbars to remove the tick. So now you can see there's no tick there, so your taskbar is no longer locked, which enables you to move it to any position on the screen. And let me show you how. So at the moment my taskbar is running along the bottom. So if I left click, hold my left mouse button down, I can move it to the left hand side. Now if I wanted to move it to the top, left click, hold the mouse button down and drag, and I now have it along the top. Now if I wanted to move this taskbar down to the left, I simply left click on my mouse, drag it, and there you go, your taskbar is now moved to the left hand side. If I was happy with that and I wanted to leave it there, I would simply right click, lock taskbar, and now you can see it's checked. And if I try to left click and drag it, I can't move it anywhere. So if I wanted to move it, I would click lock all taskbars to remove this tick, and then I can left click and drag it back down to the bottom. So this is just a very quick tutorial just to show you how you can move your taskbar around the screen, either top, left hand side, right hand side or bottom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, or click the like button to say that you liked it, or add a comment below. So I'll see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.